In this program, I will explain the logical and the shift operations used in the processor. So if you just look at the first instruction here, this is logical and shift, which is user defined name, and then you have the code in this written in this segment. The code is written only in the read only area. So we specify read only here in this instruction. And if you just look at the next instruction, that is the instruction 2, which is the entry statement. This says that from the area below is reserved to enter the code. So here if you just observe just the instruction after the entry, you can find the code that has to be executed by the assembler. So the first instruction is, since I'll be performing logical and shift operation on a numerical data or an immediate data, what I do is I'm using the instruction move to copy the data to a general purpose register, that is R0. And the next instruction is the content of R0 is copied to R1. So R1 is the destination and R0 is the source. The next instruction is the AND instruction, which has to be executed. So if you just look at this format here, you have the destination and the immediate data. So the content at the destination source, that is R1, which has 83, will be ANDed with F0. So here AND operation performs masking. So after execution of this instruction, you can observe that and it is a bitwise operation. So 8 will be ANDed with F and 3 will be ANDed with 0. So 8 that is the binary 8 and binary F, binary 3 and binary 0. So after execution of this instruction, the result would be in R1 register. So the R1 register will have the value 80. So the next instruction is the content of R1 obtained after executing the previous instruction will be copied to R2. Now if you just look at the next instruction, it is the left shift right instruction. So the left shift right instruction, we know that it divides the number by 2. So here if you see R2 as it is after execution will have the value 80. So 80 will be divided by 4. So the immediate value specified in the instruction is 2. So 80 will be divided by 4. Therefore after executing this, R2 will have the value 20. If we had 1 here, then it would have been divided by 2 and therefore the result at R2 would have been 40. So the next instruction if you observe here is the content of R0, that is here, it is 83, will be copied to R3 register, and with the same value I will be performing the AND operation, that is the logical AND. So here if you just see AND R3 0x0f. So this instruction again performs the masking, and after execution of this instruction you can observe that 8 will be ANDed with 0 and 3 will be ANDed with F. So therefore after execution at R3 the result obtained will be 3, which will be available in the R3 register. So we can just see the output now. So I'll build. So after build, debug, start debug, then go to project, not project, view. Okay. So go to, now I run it, then go to view, then register window, again I go to view, and then we have the register window. So as I told you all, the initial value is available at R0 register, that is 83 is in R0. R1 after the left shift right operation, the shift right operation, you have 80 here. R2 will have the value 20 and R3 will have the value 3. And similarly, you can observe the contents at these registers, that is the current program status registers. So these registers are not affected. So I'll stop the debug.